Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have one very interesting question from functional equations. Here we have to find out f of 6, where x is real number. So let's get started by writing denominator cannot be 0, so x can't be 2. Now let us assume 2x plus 1 over x minus 2. Let's say this is equal to t, this bracket. So I can write 2x plus 1 equal to t times x minus 2, or 2x plus 1 equal to tx minus 2t, or we can write 2t plus 1 will be equal to tx minus 2x, or 2t plus 1 can be written as x times t minus 2. So finally x is equal to 2t plus 1 over t minus 2. We will write our equation number 1. Let us say this is our equation 1. Now in place of x, we will write 2t plus 1 over t minus 2 plus 2 times ft equal to 3x. So I will write 3 times 2t plus 1 over t minus 2 over x minus 2. So 2t plus 1 over t minus 2. So I will write minus 2 here. Now we have to simplify our RHS. Let me write that equation once. Here it is. Let's simplify RHS. So I can write 3 times 2t plus 1 over denominator we will be writing 2t plus 1 minus 2t plus 4. T minus 2 and t minus 2 from the denominators it will be over. So plus and minus 2t will be cancelled out. We can write equal to 3 times 2t plus 1 over 5. Now I will write f of 2t plus 1 over t minus 2 plus 2 times f of t. This is equal to 3 times 2t plus 1 divided by 5. Now we can change our variable. So change of variable will be there. We will replace t with x. So I can write f of 2x plus 1 over x minus 2 plus 2 times f of x equal to 3 times 2x plus 1 over 5. Now I will multiply this equation by 2 both sides. Let me write our equation once. But before that, friends, if you are an Olympiad aspirant or planning to do preparation for SOF exam, CREST exam, UNICUS exam, Silver Zone, ESSET, Indian Talent Olympiad, Hummingbird from grade 2 to grade 10, then Olympiad Success offers you live interactive sessions, PYQs, tests, and many more. Please check out the description box for further details and use referral code GYAN15 to get 15% discount. Let's come back to our problem. So I will write our equation f of 2x plus 1 over x minus 2 plus twice fx equal to 3 times 2x plus 1 over 5. Let's multiply both sides. Multiply by 2 both sides. So I will write 2 times f of 2x plus 1 over x minus 2 plus 4 times f of x equal to 6 times 2x plus 1 over 5. And this equation I will call equation number 2. Let me write our original equation, equation 1, fx plus 2 times f of 2x plus 1 over x minus 2 equal to 3x over x minus 2. This was our equation number 1. Now I will take away second equation from first one. As you can see, this will get over. So I will write equation 2 minus equation 1. So I can get minus this 4fx minus fx. We will get 3 times fx. These two terms will get over. RHS I can write 6 times 2x plus 1 over 5 minus 3x over x minus 2. Now equation is divisible by 3. Let's divide both sides by 3. So we will get fx equal to 2 times 2x plus 1 over 5 minus x over x minus 2. Now we have to simplify RHS only. So I will take LCM 5 times x minus 2. Now I can write 2 times 2x plus 1 as 4x plus 2 times x minus 2. Then x times 5, so minus 5x. We can easily write. Let's simplify, expand. I will write 4x square minus 8x plus 2x minus 6x minus 4 minus 5x over 5 times x minus 2. Or we can write 4x square minus 11x minus 4 divided by 5 times x minus 2. So this will be our fx, where x cannot be equal to 2. Now we have to find out f of 6. So we will put x equal to 6. Let me write here f of x. This is equal to 4x square minus 11x minus 4 over 5 times x minus 2. So we will put x equal to 6. So f of 6 will come out 4 times 6 square minus 11 times 6 minus 4 over 5 times 6 minus 2, which will be equal to 4 times 36 is 144, 11 times 6 is 66 minus 4 over 5 times 4. This will come out 144 minus 70 over 20, or I can write f of 6 will be equal to 74 over 20. So both numbers are divisible by 2 even numbers. So we can write here 37 over 10. So our final answer becomes 37 over 10. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.